Pretty privilege is real, but it's also the biggest trap for women. Yes, being attractive opens doors. People stare, people listen, people give you opportunities quicker. But here's the ugly truth. If all you have is pretty, the world only values you until someone prettier walks in. Real power is when your beauty is irrelevant because your value runs deeper. Look at it this way. Pretty privilege buys attention, but money, intelligence, and status buys respect, and respect lasts longer than looks ever will. The most dangerous position for a woman is to believe that her face is her future. Because the glow up that really matters isn't in your jawline or your eyelashes. It's in your bank account. It's in your bank statements, your reputation, and the fact that no one can replace you. Pretty privilege might get you in the room, but substance is what keeps you in there.